according to the website 30 minutes ago. Checkpoint 1 is open till, let's see, 10 o'clock, 10 p.m., I believe it said. And let's see, does not look like it's open till 10 p.m. And reality says it's not open till 10 p.m. So Gray owl is a granite sculpture of a small bird. Oh, cool. Okay. As sculpted by someone who's never seen a bird before. It is quite warm out here. It must have been I don't know, hot. It's definitely not cold for night, but yeah, it is Idaho, and I'm surprised actually how warm it is. I mean, I guess it is summer, of course, but it seems warm. Yeah, the point I'm trying to make is pretty warm. It was a nice flight. It was 2 hours delayed, I think. That was frustrating, but yeah, what can you do? Anyway, I've ordered an Uber. It was cheaper than Lyft. Once again, no, actually maybe I did order Lyft. Lyft was a couple dollars cheaper, so I ordered Lyft. Yeah, I'll wait. Nice flight. Very friendly staff. I like Alaska for the most part. So I don't like delays, but I like Alaska. Anyway, we will catch an Uber and head to my parents and have a nice relaxing weekend. I just can't get over how actually nice it is. This is not even t-shirt weather, this is shirtless weather. This is actually pretty nice weather, so I gotta say, I'm liking the weather. It's comfortable. 4 syllables, comfortable. Here at Shoshone Falls. The Indians called it that because they would say, show me the falls. And so, I showed you the falls. Past tense, right? They have their own language. Anyway, it's right there. It's not obvious, and it's pretty impressive. Down in the water, there actually are kayakers and paddleboarders, which is interesting because there's no place to get in the water. The mountains are like cliffs all the way for, I'd say, several miles. So they've actually been working quite a long time to get down to that point. It's pretty impressive. I might do that myself. I just have to bring some sunscreen and some water, I guess. So check it out.